Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol LK. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. If you're not sure what I mean by 30-minute, I do offer an explanation video at that link. Did this analysis on Tuesday, so that is where the green and red line annotations are coming from. And after today's price movement, definitely some updates need to be done. It was a very nice day. First thing I'm going to do is a little house cleaning, just get rid of that line down there. Sure, that level pertains, just not relevant right now. And from a presentation standpoint, I don't want to risk causing clutter and confusion because there's lines everywhere you look. So let's try to keep this analysis as clean as possible going forward. The first update, though, that does need to be made comes about based on a foundational rule in charting, which states when levels of resistance are broken and closed above, you want to see them act as support. And that's exactly what happened here. So the price got up above 240. At that point, you would want to see act as support. So then when the price did pull back here, I mean, you just can't make this stuff. Absolutely beautiful example there of that former area of resistance now acting as support, and up it went. So 240, the newest area of support, and then as I've talked about in past videos, the overarching level of support to just watch from the bigger picture point of view is that purple line there, the 50-period moving average. As the name implies, this line here is going to move itself higher and higher. So as far as just gauging the overall health of the current movement, just watch that purple line, and as long as the price stays above that line, as the line itself moves higher and higher, then the bulls are in full health, the bulls are in full control. However you must visualize that, that is what is being represented. As far as levels of resistance are concerned, what I'm going to do here is make it a little adjustment now that we have more data. And the question here becomes, well, what direction is this adjustment needing to be made? And after, today when we have more data, it seems as though the more accurate level of resistance is right up there at 265. And maybe you notice I had to move that red line higher. That's always a good step. That is what you want to see. Assuming you're bullish, it's a good thing when levels of resistance need to be adjusted higher and higher. So from that angle of things, a good little sign. But also just as kind of the FYI now, very clear that 265 is being pretty stubborn as far as, preventing the price from getting continuation. But if there is going to be any sort of continuation, then yeah, the buyers are going to have to bring their A game, that's strong enough to break above and stay above 265. But all in all, definitely a great day. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.